Good afternoon. I'm Eric Aiden. I'm the Sheriff of Okaloosa County with the Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office. A few moments ago, I personally met with Mrs. Fortson and the Fortson family, extended my deepest condolences to them. And this result is one we never hoped to encounter, and I'm also thinking about our team here and the deputy involved in the tragic event. I'm here this afternoon to further assure Ms. Fortson's family, our dedicated team, and community we serve, and the broader public that we are doing what we can to ensure the facts of this case are fully understood. To that end, I've asked the Florida Department of Law Enforcement to handle the criminal investigation that is required under these circumstances. It is important to note that while this is a criminal investigation, no determination has been made as to whether the deputy's actions were justified or not. Here in Okaloosa County, we pride ourselves in our commitment to transparency and accountability. These investigations take time, but I want to assure you that we are not hiding, covering up, or taking action that would result in a rush to judgment of Mr. Fortson or our deputy. While it might be difficult to see, there are many questions the investigation must answer before we can determine whether the officer's actions were justified. Again, we are committed to the transparency and look forward to FDLE and the state attorney's report. We are aware of a press release and other comments that falsely state our deputy entered the wrong apartment and imply that they burst through the door into Mr. Fortson's residence. Those statements are inaccurate, as shown on the video that we are about to see. What we do know at this time is that the deputy did announce himself, not once, but twice. Mr. Fortson's comments indicate that he did acknowledge it was law enforcement at the door, and he arrived at the door with a firearm in his hand. The deputy knocked on the correct door. He did not cover the peephole or otherwise obscure its view in any way. Again, I don't share this information to pass judgment. We simply want to assure the community of what is known at this time for the safety of our deputies and for the community. I told Mr. Fortson's family this afternoon that they have my word. If this shooting is found to be unjustified, their son's name will be fully vindicated and justice will be served. Now, before we play this video, all of us understand what we're about to see. And for those of you that are live streaming and don't want to watch this event because it's tragic, then I suggest you just look away for about 4.5 minutes. That's about how long it's going to take once we roll the video. But those of you that are live streaming, it's going to be on here, and after this we will share a link to the video. But out of respect for you, whoever doesn't want to see it again, it will take about 4.5 minutes. You will see the things that I just mentioned on the video that corroborate what I've just said. Go ahead.
Sir. one that called. She was like, it's getting out, it sounds like it's getting really out of hand.
So it's hit number 4, huh? Okay. We stand out there and direct the deputy that's coming to this area?
It's not, you're gonna go to the fourth floor, and it's gonna be on this side.
Gotcha. Sheriff's office, open the door! Sheriff's office, open the door! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! 312, shots fired. Suspect down. Do not move! 312, get EMS my location.
It pains me to show the video, but I know that you all need to see it. We look forward to FDLE's findings and the final third-party review done by the State Attorney's Office. We know you have many questions, as do we, but we are confident in our state's agencies' abilities to investigate the facts, no matter where they may lead, and we are prepared to take action that is required to best serve our residents, the military community, and our visitors. Transparency and accountability have been our top priorities from day one. We will also be distributing the link for your reporting needs, and when we have more information, we will share it. Until then, I must respectfully ask that you direct all questions to the investigative agency, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. Personally, I want to add that it's been my life's honor to be your sheriff. That service extends to all of our citizens, military, visitors, and the deputies that I lead. You are all important and valued to me as your sheriff. I know we will come to a resolution in this matter, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your patience and understanding as we go through this. Please remember the Fortson family, and please remember our family in your thoughts and prayers. This concludes the press conference.